Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's make this turmeric face mask that is very potent. This face mask will help to clear dark spots. It will help to brighten your face. It will help to get rid of acne. This face mask is very potent. Okay, so to make the face mask, first you get one piece of carrot. Wash the carrot and peel off the skin. Once that is done, you go ahead and grate the carrot with the smallest size of your grater. If you don't want to grate it, you can go ahead and blend without adding water, or you will add just little water. Okay, so that's it. Carrot helps to improve your skin tone. Yes, carrot can actually help to brighten your skin. It can actually help to, lighten your skin. They also help to prevent dark spots and blemishes caused by excessive exposure to UV rays and free radicals. Okay, so carrot is good when it comes to lightening the skin. So after blending or grating the carrot, you go ahead and transfer it into a sieve. So once transferred into a sieve, you go ahead and extract the juice from the carrot. So now I'm done extracting the juice, and this is what I have. So the next thing I have to add here is rice flour. Rice flour is a very potent skin clearing agent. It has acne reducing qualities and it regulates oil production, which helps to keep the pores fresh and unclogged. Okay, so I go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and after that the next thing you have to add is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very good to the skin. It helps to soothe sunburn. It helps to prevent the skin from rashes, and it helps to moisturize the skin. After that, you go ahead and add turmeric to it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric helps to treat acne, lightens hyperpigmentation, reduce dark circles, and prevent premature aging. So turmeric is also very good to your skin. Go ahead and mix everything properly. Mix very well so that they will combine properly. Okay, after mixing very well, it's ready to be used. So this is me, guys. Here my face is already washed. Okay, before you use this treatment, make sure that your face is already washed before you apply it on your face, because you don't want to apply this goodness on a dirty face. No, you don't want that. Okay. So after that, you go ahead and start applying it on your face. You can use brush to apply it. You can use your clean bare hand to apply it on your face. Okay, so go ahead and apply it all over your face. Guys, this treatment is really potent. This treatment will help to brighten your face with time. With consistency, you will begin to see your face getting brighter. You'll begin to see your dark spots fading away. You'll begin to see your face becoming so smooth. Okay, so after applying it on your face, let it sit on your face for 40 minutes or until it dries up. Once it dries up, go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water and apply your face cream. Okay, guys, I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Bye.